everyone, welcome back to Sarah and Ryan's World. It's Sarah here, and today I'll be showing you my science fair project. Before starting this video, this is a shout out to Princess Pearl Kitty, my friend who was in my group who helped me did this science fair project. Now let's get to the question. Do colored ice cubes melt at the same rate as clear ice cubes? That's the big question. Now our hypothesis is, we hypothesized that the colored ice cubes will melt at a faster rate than the clear ice cubes because they absorb more heat while the clear ones reflect most of the light. The materials we used in this project were water, ice cube trays, food color, 2 bowls, stopwatch, a paper and a pencil, a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, and a freezer. Before doing this experiment, here's what we researched. The colored ice cube melts faster than an ice cube with no added coloring because it has the tendency to absorb more light. The darker the ice gets, the more heat it absorbs and the more quickly it melts. The converse of this also holds true. The whiter the ice, the more reflective it is and the less heat it absorbs from the sun, so it'll melt slower. According to this theory, black colored ice cubes should melt the fastest, while clear ice should be the last to melt. Let's begin with how we did it. The procedure: add color to some water, freeze a tray of clear and another tray of colored ice cubes. Take out 1 cube of each in separate bowls, let them melt in sunlight about 25 degrees. Note down the melting time of each color, including the clear ones. Repeat this 5 times for each color, which is 5 trials. Calculate the average melting time for each color. Compare and analyze the results in the form of a bar graph. So the results include pictures and data. Now let's get to the data. So it's just telling us all the 6 colors we used in the average time. The 6 colors we used are blue, orange, red, yellow, green, and black. So black melted the fastest and the clear white ice reflected more sunlight, so it melted the slowest, like about 30 minutes or something. And here are the pictures. They're like the bowls over here and over there. And these are our ice cubes in the container. So here's what we concluded. Our results help us to conclude that colored ice melts at a faster rate than clear ice because of its ability to absorb more heat, in turn proving our hypothesis accurate. Now what we learned. We learned that darker colors absorb more heat while light colors and clear ice absorb less and reflects most of the light. It has been observed in the Arctic that in places where glaciers contain dirt and algae, more sunlight is absorbed due to the darker color of ice, and hence it is melting faster than places with clear ice. This is known as the albedo effect. Real-life application. That means something that's happening in real life. Using white paint on rooftops for cooling effect, wearing light colored clothes in summers is to stay cool. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and more scientific videos. Goodbye.